Lolo. My fellow completers, teachers, parents, guests, ladies, and gentlemen. Today is a remarkable moment for all of us. This moving activity is a manifestation of a collective effort to us all. We students, the completers, would not be here without the supports of people who are here today. Allow me please to express my thanks and gratitude to all of you. First, to our parents who provide us the financial and material needs, our daily bounds, projects, hamutan, and so on and so forth. Ma and Pop, thank you. Sometimes we know that you have had to sacrifice your personal needs so that you will be provided and supported. I would like also to extend our thanks and gratitude to our mentors, Ma'am Helen, Sir Leo, and Ma'am Sonia. We all knew all your sacrifice just to be able to make us learn not only the academic learning, but also the real wisdom in life. To the school officials whom we believe have supported us one way or another. To our barangay officials who are with us today, their mere presence here is already a manifestation of their continued support to our beloved institution. Finally, to my classmates, my college and since day one, thank you for the great moments we shared, the struggles we had faced, with the stairs and ladder, the agonies and happiness, the failures and success. Finally, we have survived and succeed. Thank you and good morning. My fellow completers, faculty and staff, our barangay official, parents, guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, after 4 difficult years of struggle, we finally reached our goal. A top of a mountain had successfully scaled and reached. A finish line was crossed, a new starting line await us. As we leave the portal of our beloved alma mater, allow me, as we leave, please to deliver my farewell message to all of us here today. Truly, I would say that I got mixed emotion inside of me. I feel sad that this will be our last of being missing your smile, your jokes, and of course your handsome and pretty face. Surely we'll be going into a different routes with a heavy hearts. But guys, I would say that the memories we had shared shall not be forgotten. Remembering those will make my heart dance with happiness and joy. To our mentors who have had equipped and prepared us to continue to our journey until our dreams, the elusive dreams, maybe will be achieved and fulfilled. Sir, madams, thank you for instilling us the values of perseverance, resiliency, humility, faith, and patriotism. This will be our guiding light when we sail into a stormy and dark ocean of life. We promise we shall return with the laurels in our heads. I may not be saying goodbye to our parents, for they will be with us as we embark on another journey. We fervently hope that they will continue to provide us with their love and support. With a heavy heart but a joyful spirit, allow me to say thank you and goodbye. Congratulations to all of us.